Rutgers Day is happening this year on Saturday, April 25th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on all Rutgers New Brunswick campuses. This day is jam-packed with free entertaining events, performances, and food vendors. Students, alumni, family, and friends are all welcomed. If you are interested in the STEM field, you can see and learn a lot about the life sciences, health sciences, engineering, and math programming activities that Rutgers has to offer on Bush campus. If eco programs like green living tips and petting zoos are your interest, the Cook and Douglas campus offers animal exhibits and beautiful nature displays. Also, performances will be on the Big R stage near the Passion Puddle. There will even be food vendors surrounding the Cook and Douglas campus. Also, you don't want to miss all the student life programs and activities on the historic College Avenue campus. The Rutgers Day Parade displays all the Rutgers spirit and talent as people cheer and wave on College Avenue. For more information and access to the activities brochure for this coming Rutgers Day, check out www.rutgersday.rutgers.edu. We hope to see you at this event. You don't want to miss all the fun. Mark your calendars.